Okay, welcome to Daily 3D Revolve. Today I'm going to be doing a Design Spark mechanical tutorial, and I'm going to be showing you how to create some gossip tomahawks. They're a Chinese martial arts weapon. Okay, we're going to go ahead and open up a Design Spark. I'm going to create these in inches. We'll click this icon here to go to the plan view. We'll minimize, and we'll drag in our sample graphic. Okay. Excuse me. I guess it doesn't matter what size we create these because you can always scale them up if you want to. So we'll just go ahead and create them this size right here. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and get the 3-point arch. You can start drawing with that. I'm going to click there to that corner there, and then I'm going to round. This is going to be 1 inch, 1.022 inches, and the angle is going to be 72.4. So that's going to be our first arch. Go ahead and get the next one. Click there. We'll go to that point there. Now we're going to curve up to 1.022 inches, and the degree is going to be 92. Okay, we'll go ahead and get that there. Now we're going to go ahead and get that 3-point arch. We're going to go from here down to here. We'll just go straight. We're going to go 1.037 inches, and then we're going to bow this curve out to 97.2 degrees. It's going to be our angle. Now we're going to go, let's select to click off. We're going to add this little curve down here. So we'll get our 3-point arch. I'm going to click on the end point there, go to there. That's going to be 0.709 inches and 176.5 degree angle. And then we're going to change that. That's actually going to become the radius of 0.807 inches and an angle of 52.1. We'll click there. Now let's go ahead and pan up. We're going to grab that 3-point arch again. We're going to click there to the end point there, and then we're going to drag up. Ours is a little bit kind of a sharper of a curve, but that's okay. We don't want to copy theirs exactly. So we're going to go 0.807 inches, and it's going to be a 76.1 degree. Okay. Now we're going to do this little curve this little point right here. So we'll click on the end point. We'll go to the point there. So this is going to be a radius of 0.346 inches, and it'll be a 66.9 degree angle. Okay, now we're going to do the same here. We're going to go from that point up there to the end point, and then we're going to go, the radius is going to be 0.346 inches, and the angle is going to be 88.8 degrees. Click there. Now we're going to go ahead and pan down. We're just going to create one of these, and then we can just copy it over. Okay, now we're going to do this, the inside part. So we'll click, let's do this part up here. Click from there to the point, and then we'll curve it in. This is going to be a radius of 0.591 inches and a 47.4 degree angle. And we're going to go end point to there, and this is going to be 0.381 inches and a radius of 80, I believe that's 82. 0.382 inches and 82.2 degree angle. Okay, so get our select tool. The handle is going to be a little bit bigger. I'm going to we'll create this, and then I'll also create the handle. So we want to make the handle a little bit bigger. So we'll go ahead and grab our 3-point arch. We'll go from here down to there, and we'll going to be 0.488 inches with a 111.6 degree angle. And then we're going to go endpoint to endpoint there. And then we're going to move this. This is going to be a radius of 0.550 inches, and the degree angle or arch is 94.6 degrees. So we'll click there. Okay. We don't need this anymore, so I'm going to go ahead and delete it. Oh, actually, you know what? I did need it. I got to put that last one in there. So let's go back to the 3-point arch. We'll come from the endpoint to endpoint. Then we're going to move this out. This is going to be a radius of 0.855 inches, and the degree is 67.8. Okay, now we can get rid of this. So let's go ahead and delete. Now I'm going to put, let's offset this for the handle. So we'll go ahead and offset. We'll offset this. Let's just offset it 0.03. 0.03, enter. Do the same on this one. 0.03, enter. Now we'll grab our line. We're going to go from about this point here, right there, straight across. That's going to represent our handle. We'll get this line tool, and then we'll go from that point straight across. Okay, now we're going to grab our trim away tool. Let's get some of this stuff. Don't need it. Okay, and then trim away that piece and that piece. So we're going to extrude this, and all the other stuff's going to be extruded as well. So let's Control plus. Let's put some radiuses on this handle. So we'll grab this, create rounded corners. We'll click there. We'll put a radius of 0.029. Do the same all the way around. Let's pan up. Let's grab our radius tool. Let's get the trim away tool, which is this one here, or T on the keypad. Okay, let's go Control minus, Control minus. Okay, let's go to pull. Something's going on with this one right here. It's not letting me delete it. All right, let's see. Let's go ahead and pull. Yep, something's up with that. It needs to be finished off. So let's go undo. Let's go Control plus. Let's pan down. All right, what I'm going to do is go ahead and select. Select the handle. Let's deselect what we don't need. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and get this line to here. Go ahead and hit move. Not sure I can do this, but we're going to try. No, it doesn't look like I can. So what we're going to have to do is trim. Trim those pieces off right there, and we'll have to add another 3-point arch in there. That has to be closed before we can extrude it. Okay, we'll go 0.550 inches at 69.5 degree angle. Let's go ahead and spin this. Let's give this a pull. Okay, let's delete that. We don't need it. Click that. We'll come over here to pull from both sides. And we'll pull this out. I actually wanted that handle to be thicker, so let's undo this. Let's go back to here. Let me trim away this. We'll add the handle later. want this to be right, so let's go to plan view. Let's go ahead and delete these. Not sure why it's not deleting those lines. Let's just click on them and delete. Okay, let's get rid of that. Let's go ahead and add our 3-point arch in there. Okay, we'll come out to 0.855 inches, 59.1 degree angle. We'll click. Okay, let's go ahead and pull. Get rid of that in the middle. Let's spin this. I'm going to pull both sides. Let's go 0.12. Let's make sure this isn't too thick. That's way too thick. Okay, let's undo. Let's go to pull from both sides. Let's go 0.6. Oh. Let's go 0.1. 0.1. That should be good. And now we'll spin this. Oh, that's still way too thick. Undo a couple times. Let's go pull from both sides. 0.05. Let's try that. Alright, that's better. I'm okay with that. Okay, now let's go ahead and click on the face here. Let's add our handle. So we're going to go plan view. Let's offset this 0.3 like we did before. Oops. Let's go 0.026. And we'll offset this one 0.026. Okay, we'll put a line in here. From there across to here. And then we'll put a line from there across to there. Okay, let's go ahead and grab our trim away tool. Get rid of that. We might just have to click on that and delete it. Oh, actually, it's not letting me delete it for some reason. Let's delete that. Let's Control minus. Then we'll add our 3-point arch in there again. Go from endpoint to endpoint. We'll pull this out till it's tangent. Okay. Let's go ahead and spin this. Actually, let's add some radius corners to the handle. So go Control plus. We're going to click there. 0.024. 0.024. Let's pan up. Do the same on the bottom. Oh, 0.024. Okay. Go ahead and spin this. Let's pull both of these. It's not in the center, so we're going to have to actually pull from both sides and then just do some adjusting. But I can't pull from both sides. All right, let's just pull this out and then we'll figure it out later. Okay, the handle is going to be 0.12. Spin this. Okay, let's select the handle. Well, this might be hard to do this. Okay, let's see here. Let's go to top view. go ahead and select this. Dang it. Okay, let's go back to the top view. Let's try to drag a marquee around that. So I keep getting that too. Let's see if I can move this. Oh, can't. See if I can move the knife, the blade. No, the handle gets in the way. Well, let's go undo, undo, undo. Control minus. Let's go to plan view. Let's select just the handle there and then move it out of the way. Select move. Let's move it out to here. Let's spin this. Let's go ahead and pull this. Let's pull from both sides. Oh, 0.1. Okay, now we're going to go now I can select both of these. It looks like it's where it's supposed to be, but I don't know for sure. So let's go right view. Now I got to move this down. So go ahead and select move. Pull that down till it's centered. It's going to be 0.025. Let's try that. Okay, it looks centered. Okay, so let's go ahead and spin. And now let's move this into place. Let's go top view. Go ahead and move. Oops, undo. Grab the red arrow, smooth. Grab the green one. And then grab the red one. Grab the green one last time. Okay, looks almost done. Oh, 0.015. 0.015. I'll actually have to go over more to the left. That's good enough. Okay, click. Now we'll spin. That's where it needs to be. So now I'm going to add some fillets. Let's click till everything's selected. Click and drag. We'll go 0.20. I'll put a spin in here. Let's pull. Let's do the same on the back side. Oh, 0.020. Alright, now let's go to top view. Let's go ahead and start putting in our chamfers. Go ahead and spin this. Let's go ahead and change that to chamfer. I think it's 0.05. No, we're gonna have to figure out what the chamfer is. So we'll go ahead and pull, change from fillet to chamfer. I think it's 0.025, so 0.025 should be half. And then let's try that bottom one. 0.025. Okay, I think that's right. Let's spin. Yeah, that looks right. Okay, now we'll go ahead and pull. Let's get that one. 0.025. 0.025. Okay, and then we'll put one in here, 0.025, one right there, 0.025. We're going to go ahead and spin just to the back side, pull, grab those two, hold down the control key, 0.025, and then we'll put one in here, 0.025. Let's spin this, grab the pull tool, 0.025. Okay, let's see where we have our sharpness. Okay, there, the bottom one, the two little claws. We can make everything sharp if you want. Click on there, 0.025, 0.025. Let's spin. Do the same over here, 0.025, 0.025. Okay, this don't look too bad. Go ahead and spin. So I'm going to keep the middle part. Doesn't need to be chamfered. Okay, that looks pretty good. I think I will put a fillet in here though. Hold down the control key. 0.02 fillet. Spin that around, do the one on the back side, and then we'll be done. .020. Let's go to view this from top. It's Control minus. This is going to be our finished product. We'll select everything. We'll Control C, Control V, move, and then we'll drag a copy out here. All right, this is going to be our Chinese martial arts weapons. That's going to end today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed watching and you got something useful out of this video. Okay, thanks for watching.